TCG game with some TCG squad. It's your boy TCG to go, and I'm back with another video on car. Like, why I say on car for? But listen, back with another video. We finna do me and this person, a special guest, collaborate YouTube. Finna do this thing. We finna do this. But anyway, it's called what type of animal are you? Most of y'all probably did already, but yep, finna do it. So let this intro break and be right back.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom.
What's up, TTG gang? What's up, TTG squad? I'm back from the intro. From the intro, but anyway, we have a special guest. Drum roll, please. Give it up for Savage Squad 100. Oh, what are you talking to me?
I just playing though. But yeah, I'm Savage Squad 100. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Okay, that was okay. Just come
Anyways, yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's all I got to say. We're gonna get started.
Okay, no further ado. Let's get into the video. What is a video? No. What animal are you? Oh, you heard my. I saw you. Okay. Blah 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 blah. I already know how to do this. I did a whole bunch of these before. Okay, they say. Oh crap. My bad, I'm actually stupid, retarded. Okay.
Alright. It's what do you enjoy? What do you enjoy doing in your spare time? A, hanging out in the woods. B, hanging out with friends. C, relaxing and chilling with family. D, working or just being alone. E, reading and playing video games. First of all, who likes reading? So why?
Oh my god. Why? Okay.
Anyways.
I go with E,
B.
relaxing and playing video games. But sometimes I just go play basketball.
Alright, so me, I got B.
But I don't read that many.
You said you got
much.
E?
But I kind of do. Oh, don't worry about it. Yeah, I got E. No, the numbers go pop up.
I know we're going.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing.
What you pick?
I picked B because that's what I like doing. I'm not a video game person, so yeah. I only play when they ask.
Bruh, okay. Okay. Oh, no, let's see the points.
Oh, so mine has 40. Let's get it.
Why you gotta talk professional? Why you gotta talk? What?
Mine has 40 points, hanging out with friends, and his has E, 10 points.
Okay, I'm reading next. Got it.
Get your big head on fire.
Okay. How will you act around your crush? What's up?
Okay. You gonna read it, or do I need to read it? I'll read it. How would you act around your crush?
I'm skipping.
A, no, blush and bite. Blush a bit and chat, which is A. B, crack a joke and be funny. C, smile and wave. D, act serious and mysterious. E, discuss our hobbies and likes. So, you see, I don't know. You gotta say something. Hold on. Blush and
C.
you said C, smile and wave.
Man, just come on, man, dude.
I think I'm gonna have to go with.
I'm just kidding, B.
But all right, it's a B. Don't change it. I'm wait. Okay.
Boy, I be like, boy, you like a goose.
It's not funny like that.
Boy, if you don't get your Cinderella. Okay, that wasn't even fun. That was corny.
I think I blush. I'm picking A. I'm picking A. I do blush.
Nobody cares.
And sometimes I talk.
Ooh, sometimes I walk.
And sometimes I walk like a talkie.
Sometimes I say, "What's up, Doc?"
Oh my gosh. Are we coming past now?
Jordan, if you ever
So, hey.
Okay, yeah. Hey.
But anyways, blush and bite, bit and chat. I have 20. That sucks.
La.
Lil Terry, you picked B, so you got 30.
10. What are you talking about?
You picked B. Oh, my bad. I didn't even see that. You don't like see that. Shut up.
Okay.
Anyways. Next.
Okay. My turn to read. Which of these choices can you relate to the most? I don't know. Okay. A. Laughing when your friend trips. My friend's always tripping. You get it? No, not funny. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
B. I said slipping. Sleeping past the alert.
A lot.
C. Being ow, yo.
Okay.
Come on with this hair. Before I throw it over there.
Bye-bye.
Not fun. Okay. Anyway, C. Being late to an important meeting. D. Having a good time with friends. E. Forgetting about my late assessments.
So basically, is this about school or is this about
assignments? Man.
Bro, I can choose D or E.
I'm gonna pick A.
Man, alright, you said A. I don't know, cause I think I'm gonna have to just go. Hey, you flipped the coin tell. Anyways, look at time with friends. I can realize to forgetting about my late assignments. Nope, I always turn them on time. Not a goodie. I think I'm gonna have to go with A2. Cause my friends, they fall a lot.
I do. I be tripping too.
I be dying. I
be dying and crying.
I fell up the stairs instead of falling down the stairs.
When somebody first told me that, oh snot came out money.
Oh, okay. So
you go really.
Yeah, I will. Anyways.
But you don't know how to do this, bro. Let the professional.
We both had picked A, laughing when their friends fall, trips or whatever.
Blah, blah,
we both got 30, so.
Right now, I'm more poised than you. Question. Nobody cares. It depends on what animal. If I'm a better animal than you, you just a lame animal. Okay,
what is your strongest?
You don't even have to do that.
I'm sorry, I didn't see what that said.
What is your strongest sense?
Taste, sight, smell. Okay. Pause that.
You pause it.
Taste.
Definitely not smell. I mean, definitely not touch.
It's not sight. I wear glasses. So.
Definitely not sight. I mean, because I'm blind. I'm legally blind.
I wear glasses.
Definitely not smell.
Not hearing. It's not my
nose always clogged.
Touch.
Definitely not hearing. Because I get drop kicked when I don't hear what people say.
It's my taste. I know what things taste like. I'm gonna go. Wait,
bro. I'm not gonna keep slapping myself because I think something on my face. Thank you. Okay.
Which one you going with?
Sometimes the flavor in my mouth go away. No homo. So I'm just gonna pick D. Touch. Still no homo. I'm out of this.
No, you're not. You can stay in. My ponytail is something else. Oh, okay. Bro, look what you did. Look what you did. I know that I have 40. I say taste. I have 40. I already know it. See, man, look, you made this do. See, I have 40.
I got 50.
How did you wait for touching?
What is your favorite character?
What is your worst character?
Wait. I just said.
Hey, I worry way too much.
What is your worst character
trait? I worry way too much. Which is A.
See, I told you I'm blind.
I'm right up to the camera. I can see. B, I'm kind of messy. No, that's not me. C, I'm a bit lazy. That is me right there. D, I'm aggressive. E, I get annoyed very easily. That's true.
Really? What?
Okay, so I'm trying to depend on C and E. Which one you go with?
I don't even know what this means.
What's your worst character trait? What's worst?
Like, definition, please.
Do you like? Let's say if you picked you get annoyed very easily when soon as somebody do something that you don't like, you annoyed. Stop playing. You're doing too much.
That's definitely you.
I know. I know. That's me.
Lazy, I'm aggressive.
Okay, I'm gonna do annoyed.
To be honest, none of these, so I'm gonna just pick a random one.
I got E.
I don't want to pick word too much because I don't. Forget y'all people. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I didn't mean it. Okay. Not very easy. I'm aggressive. I'm gonna just pick anyone because none of these are mine. I'm gonna just pick D. Get aggressive.
You aggressive?
Y'all better like and subscribe.
I definitely
See,
like
I told you. D. Just pick D.
It took 12 years later.
Make sure you look at your stuff. It ain't far.
I got E. 40.
50.
Dang! Aggressive person?
Honey, already. You better put that on.
What superpower would you like to have?
I'll go
Invisibility, flying, or teleporting, super speed, super strength, mind reading.
Invisibility.
You know what? Yes, it's invisibility. Whatever, how you say it. I'm going with A. Who doesn't want to be
I got
invisible?
30 points. I'm probably ahead of you.
You got 50 twice, so probably.
Oh, wait. What I see? Oh, 30.
Oh, you got 30?
Okay, which is your... Wait.
Which of the following is your favorite career?
I told you I got 30, man.
I told you we can say you
Bruh, if you don't get your...
What of the following is your favorite career? Artist or...
Oh!
Bro, I'm an artist. I draw all the time. I draw all the time.
If y'all know me, bro. If y'all know me. Like, if y'all my friends or my family or something, y'all know I'm a good drawer.
Me too. You know I'm a good drawer.
You know, drawer. I said drawer. So somebody go pull me when they need some clothes. See what I did there? Oh! No, just kidding. Anyway, yeah, I'm definitely not a drawer. They ain't finna put no clothes inside of me. But anyway, I'll pick... I'm a good artist, so I'll pick A.
I'm a good artist too. I draw all the time.
I am not a good teacher. I barely can see. I can't...
I hate my classmates.
Why you have to say that?
Because they know
Hey bro, we making a video.
Well, some of them are. Oh well.
Again.
10.
Just come on, bro.
Get 2.
But you can't get mad at the video, man.
Because they suck.
Okay.
Anyway.
If you had a free day, where would you go?
Ooh, a museum, a mall, a laboratory, an art gallery. A mall! That's what girls do, you know.
I'll probably go to... I'm always broke. Nope, not a mall. I'll probably get some tickets to football, man.
So you said...
It don't cost that much. I got 40.
I got 10 till 4. That sucks.
Okay, which is your favorite...
Greatest
I said favorite.
strength.
How you know that?
I'm strong. I'm predictable. I'm fast. I'm tripping. Adaptable. You know. I'm focused. You know, I'm not focused because you know I get distracted easily.
Your heart is...
I'm sorry. My bad.
Chill.
Okay.
Chill, coach. Chill.
Who did you call you a coach?
That's it.
I'm not focused.
I'm predictable.
Look, I'm fast. I am fast. Say something else. Say another mother. Say another motherfucking word.
Another motherfucking word. Bro. You really bugging me. You really
No, you bugging.
He bugging.
Look at this.
A bug on your head. Bugging.
Leave me alone. I choose C.
Bro, because you sleep, man.
Man,
Hold on, wait.
this.
I'm making a video. Hold on. I'm gonna go with A. Cause I'm real strong.
But you weak. You ain't got no
If I do a cheat code in real life, watch.
Man, forget this.
Watch, bro. No, don't skip it. Bro, you
C and look at E. C and look at A. I got 40. What? You weak anyway.
I got 50. I'm weak. I'm stronger than you.
But I got muscles too.
Okay, what is your favorite season? Fall or...
It's summer, duh.
Summer.
I got D. No. Summer is C. 50. Yes, I finally got 50.
50, yeah.
You finna get smacked.
I got 52. Come on.
Add up all the points. Pause the video if you need more time. Duh. All right, I'm gonna add up my points.
Duh. Let me add my points because I'm very horrible at math. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Hurry up, bro. This gonna take about.
It's not.
I'm not editing this part out.
Man,
you better hurry up and do that, then. Well, I'm probably the slowest one that can figure out this problem. You dividing?
no, I'm adding, sucker.
What is she doing?
1.
I'll probably edit this part out.
100. Okay, whatever. What?
Bro, I'm finna edit this part out.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, I'll be back right when she get done with this and I get done with this.